Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to download FreeShow for Windows, MacBook and Linux. So it's just pretty much the same process. So just go over to your web browser and type in www.freeshow.app. Then you click enter, then it brings you to this home page. Now you have the icons for Windows here, this for MacBook and this for Linux. You see the pop-up notes right there. So now for for Windows, you click on this. For Mac, you click on this, but pretty much the same way. You can just come to this download icon right here and click on download. It's going to bring you to this download page. The same way you can toggle on this to go to MacBook, or you can go to Windows. So it's pretty much the same way. Very easy. So now for Mac, now I will just click on this. Once I click on it, it start downloading. And if it's for Windows, just come over here and click on it and it start downloading. If it's for Linux, you click on it and it start downloading. That's very easy. Now, because I'm using a MacBook, I'm just going to show you how to install it right on MacBook. It's just the same way you install on every other the way you install every other application you have in your PC or Windows or Linux. Just follow the same process. For a Mac user now, I've got the app here. This for Windows, this would not work on my PC. This is for Mac. We've got the .dmg. That's what you're looking for. And for those who are having issue downloading probably from this site, what you can do is just to go to the GitHub site. Just click on this icon here. See, it will bring you to the GitHub page. So you come over here to these releases and you click on latest. So it will bring it down to the latest version here. So you see the same thing you've got here. You have the .dmg, which is for MacBook. You've got for app image, which is for Linux. And then you've got the .exe file, which is for Windows. So it's just the same way. Just click on it and then it downloads right to your system. And one thing to notice, the same link you've got here is the same link you have right here for the Linux. This same link here. So they are just connected. So whether you download it from here or you go over to GitHub to download it here, you are downloading the same file. So now I haven't downloaded the file. I have it right here. I just double click on it or just click open and you just drag this and drop in the application. So because I already have the older version installed, I'm just going to replace it with the newest version. So that done, I will close this, then I will eject that. Then if I click on the FreeShow here, let's see what happens. It brings this dialog, says, are you sure you want to open? I click open and we have this right here. So this is the newest version. So this is what we've got right here. Got all the templates. And meanwhile, if you are yet to watch my other videos on how to install Bible versions, I'm going to attach a link, as well as how to create your own template. I'm going to attach a link. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's completely free, and click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.